Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name's Jesse Haynes, and in this video, I'm going over the 5 things you need to put in your music bio. This is Know the Game. Hey guys, Jesse Cassette Haynes here with Know the Game. So, today I'm going to be covering the 5 things you need to have in your bio and in what order they should appear. First, you're going to want to go over quotes. If you have any quotes about you from press releases or interviews that you've done, those are things that you want to include first in your bio so people kind of know that you are, recognized in your community, in the business, whatever it is. That's a good way to start off. You always want to open up with a quote. Second, you're going to want to open up with your hook. So what sets you apart from other industry peers, other people that you perform with? What makes you unique? What is your brand? And explain this story. People don't really care too much about the music in the bio. They want to know about the artist. So that's the second thing that you want to have in your bio. The third thing that you're going to want to present is your accolades. So, do you have any prizes? Is there any honors you've done? Have you done any fundraisers recently? And did you guys meet your goal? Those are the kind of things that you're going to want to mention here in your bio. And that's going to be the third thing that you want to mention. The fourth thing you're going to want to mention in your bio is your newest project. So, if you could get away with listing your last single, cool, but you want to get your new one. So this is something that's going to be organic and constantly updated, is whatever project you're working on currently. So you're going to want to also include videos, tours, merch, that kind of stuff. This is what your newest project is going to contain, links to all those things, and then also mention of all those things. And this is going to help you right after you've introduced yourself and gotten people into you and given validation for all the things that you've just done. It's going to help people follow right on up. So if they're already sold on the song they heard and they're reading your bio, then boom, they might just go buy a t-shirt. And lastly, what you're going to want to put in your bio is the boring stuff. Your background story, your influences, and your song meanings. So all of these things are going to help pretty much reel in your real fans. Ultimately, according to Ari Herstand, in How to Make It in the New Music Business, you want about 1,000 real fans. You could get hundreds of thousands of streams and all those things, but if you could get 1,000 true, sold out to you real fans, and they each paid you $100 a year, that would look something like $100,000 of income. So, by providing this last part of your bio with the boring stuff, the background, the influences, and the song meanings, you're giving yourself the ability to reel in one of your thousands of fans that you hope to build over the lifetime of a career. Now, me personally, I'm a producer, so I don't release a lot of music very often, but my hands are on a lot of music, and I have an interest in putting artists on my page. So that's why I know skills like this. I'm not just coming at you with no knowledge. I'm not coming at you with no experience. If you were to look at my personal music stuff, you'd be less impressed than with my run of people that I've produced and all that kind of stuff. I'm honestly just a really, really caring guy. I'm very passionate about the Northern California music scene, and I want to see us grow and be professional as possible. So, that's why I make videos like this. And if you're an artist that's trying to understand the music industry and how to make the most out of your dollars, make the most out of your moves, this is definitely some sort of channel you're going to want to subscribe to. So if you like the video that I just put out and you need some more information, go ahead and like and subscribe. I do plan on going more in depth on these topics as things go on. This video has been inspired by Ari Herstand's book, How to Make It in the New Music Business. If you got an opportunity, I put the link for his book right down below over at Amazon. I tweeted him personally to ask where it would be the most beneficial to get his sales, and he was like, Amazon is fine. So please hit that link. Go buy that book. It's the second edition, and Ari Herstand is not going to let you down with this information. If anything, he's going to game you up so well that you're going to start making so much money as an artist that you're going to actually be able to dedicate more time to things outside of music just because you have a guide. Well, thank you for watching. This is Know the Game. My name's Jesse Cassette Haynes. Once again, this is the 5 things you need on how to write your music bio.